Today you are going to learn some basic knowledge about the Honeywell S plan, using numbers and colors. This is another way you can learn to understand how the Honeywell S plan works. So in this video, we're only going to look at the fundamentals of the Honeywell S plan and how it flows, and the numbers and colors you need to remember. So the first thing we need to look at is where the source or where everything's controlled. So everything is controlled from the programmer. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to just focus on the two outputs from the programmer. And these are numbers 3 and 4. So number 3 turns on the hot water and number 4 turns on the central heating. That's all you need to focus on, remember and learn. Okay, so the programmer sends power to the thermostats. We have the central heating thermostat, and we have a hot water thermostat, also known as the cylinder thermostat. So let's look at the central heating thermostat. The numbers we need to remember inside the central heating thermostat are number 1 and number 3. Number 1 in the room thermostat is powered from number 4 in the programmer. So when the room thermostat is turned on, number 3 now has power and goes to the brown on the central heating zone valve. Now let's look at the cylinder thermostat. What you need to remember inside the cylinder thermostat is that it has a common and number 1. The common is directly connected to number 3 in the programmer. So when the cylinder thermostat is turned on, number 1 now has power and goes to the brown on the hot water zone valve. So that's the number sequence you need to remember. How the central heating and hot water zone valves are controlled. You may need to go over this section a few times. Now we're going to look at the colors that you need to remember. The colors are the wires inside the zone valve. So the colors are brown, gray, blue, yellow and green, and then finally the orange. So like I said before, the brown is powered from either the room thermostat or the cylinder thermostat. That means the S plan system has 2 zone valves. To understand this on a deeper level, including the Honeywell Y plan system, you really need to learn from Master Coach Tony Morgan's Honeywell Y and S plan course, where you learn everything you will need to know. To find out more about this amazing course, simply visit www.onlineboilerrepairtraining.co.uk or click on the link below.